Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. I'm a part-time reseller, which means that I buy stuff cheap and I sell it for more and I make a profit. I do it as a side hustle. I do have a full-time job at the post office. I am a postal clerk. I sell on platforms such as Poshmark, eBay, Mercari. I try to sell on Depop. I've dabbled a little bit in Instagram live sales, and I hope to do more of those. Those are actually kind of fun. But I have another quick estate sale haul. I do like to do haul videos, what sold videos, mystery unboxings, which I do quite often. But this was just a really quick one. I was on my way home, me and my daughter, we were on our way to get a haircut and she said she couldn't get us until 4:30. So I cut off a lot. It was really dead, but it looks better. Anyways, we went up the hill to the really nice houses. There wasn't hardly anything left. It was like 3 o'clock maybe in the day, so they were willing to get rid of some stuff. The stuff they did have was all half price. They had them priced really good to begin with. I got a lot of QVC brands that were pretty much new with tags. So let's see what I got. This first one didn't have tags, but it was a Boston proper. It's a pretty good brand. It is like a crochet, just a little black crocheted skirt. They had it marked at $3, so it was $1.50. Really good condition. The next thing I have, y'all know that I'm a sucker for Bob Mackie. Usually they are vibrant, really vibrant, out there is wearable art. I mean, that's their thing. This is a petite extra large. They are plain, they're black, but they are 100% silk. Little pants, really comfortable. They're new with tags. They have them priced at $2.50. So I got them for $1.25. And the next thing is this Monroe in Maine. It is a 1X. Still, they had them listed. They had it priced at $3, so I got it for $1.50. Still has the button attached. No tags, but it's still new, never been worn. It is just a tan, oversized sweater. Really cute. And they did have a couple of vintage pieces as well. This is a Donna Morgan. Nothing really special. Size 6 vintage size. But this would be so cute for like a holiday dress. Look at the back. It's got the buttons down the back. I think that's the back, yeah. It's got the buttons down the back. They are velvet. And then the little velvet, little bow. And these are little velvet appliques. This screams like holiday party. And then there's another vintage dress right here. Oh wait, no, this isn't vintage. It's Monroe in Maine. This is extra large, but it does have a vintage look. It is that velvety velour little dress. It's black and it has the gold appliques down the arms and around the shoulders. Very cute. This looks like a holiday dress as well. They had it for $3.50, so I got it for $1.75. And then there's this really cute. It is so, so soft. I don't really know this brand, Dreamers. It is a medium large, and it's that oversized, like, cow neck, but it's more than a cow neck. It's almost, I don't know. But it's that really chunky knit sweater. It's new with tags. They had it priced at, where is the price? Well, I know it's on here. Oh, there it is. They had it priced at $3, so I got it for $1.50. Almost everything was new with tags except for the vintage stuff. The next thing I have is this really pretty pastel purple. It is Simply by Chloe Dow. It is an extra large. It is new with tags as well. It is QVC. It's really cute. Here's the shoulders. They're open. And they got the little buttons right there. And then the top is kind of like a wrap top. needs to be tightened, but this goes across and it ties. It's new with tags. They had it priced at only $2.50, so I got it for $1.25. And then this is Isaac Mizrahi Live. This is an extra large. They had it priced at $4, but this is 100% cashmere. The brands really don't matter a whole lot to me when it comes to cashmere. It's the ribbed arms, and it's so soft. I touched it and I immediately knew it was 100% cashmere, but it's just that maroon burgundy color. And this didn't have tags, but you can tell by the texture it's never been worn. It's another Isaac Mizrahi Live. It is an extra large. They had it marked for $4, so I got it for $2. It is a pink, like a linen. I think it's 100% linen. It is 55% linen and 45% rayon, plus the embroidered detailing. It is a really pretty tunic. It is so cute. And it's got that same crocheted look at the bottom. It's very oversized. It is Newport News. It is a 3X. She probably wore it or bought it to be oversized. Still has the tags. They had it priced at $4, so I got it for $2. But Newport News, I believe, is one of those catalog brands like Boston Proper and some of those really nice brands that you can get on in the catalogs. You can probably get them online, but back in the day, it was definitely a catalog brand. And there is this. I've never heard of this brand. It's called The Look. Get it, love it, live it. This is a size large. It is nylon, acrylic, polyester, spandex, but it's super, super cute. It's a little sleeveless sweater. I liked the chunky threading, the threaded detail. But it's new with tags as well. They had it marked at $3. I got it for $1.50. So,
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces for
so I got all of this stuff for $17, and that included my daughter's 2 scrub pieces. So I don't really think they charged me for those. I also got these, actually, so I paid $19.50 for everything with these earrings. They're Etenayanye. They had them marked at $5, so I got them for $2.50. I have a hard time finding earrings that are lightweight, bigger hoops that don't break me out. So far, so good on these. They are probably hypoallergenic. They weren't marked gold or anything like that, but they feel good. They don't make me itch. They're not turning me red. So we're good. So $17 for all of these items. And there was 11 items. Pretty good. It's just a little bit more than $1 a piece. I'll take it. So do you do estate sales? What do you usually look for when you go to estate sales? And what do you pick up and what do you have a good return on? I'd like to hear. You guys have a great day, and be sure and like and subscribe if you like content like this. So have a great day. Bye.